Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube recap feature step by step. First of all, go ahead and open your YouTube application on your device or head to the browser, then type in the YouTube's official site, which is www.youtube.com. Then from there, what you can do is simply sign into your account. Make sure that you are signed into your account, and once you do so, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon located on the bottom right. Now, once you tap on it, you should be able to find this option called YouTube recap page. However, it is not shown here because the YouTube has not sent me the recap of my channel, but it should be available on yours. Now all you have to do is tap on that and you should be able to get your recap from here and also view it from here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.